It doesn't matter when next you are getting paid. Maybe at the end of the month, middle of the month, or maybe you get paid weekly. You see, one thing I've found out is that most of us make perfectly reasonable money plans until we get paid. Then comes the impulse buying, unplanned hangouts, and everything else that scatter our budget for the month. But you can avoid all of that if you make these smart money moves immediately you get your next pay. The first smart move is to save. Save at least 20% of your salary. There are several apps that can help you achieve this. A few of such apps include Kuda app, Piggyvest, Cowrywise, and so on. If these apps are not available in your region or country, a quick Google search for top savings app will give you a list you can work with. For example, on the Kuda app, tap Save and create a savings plan to save as you want, frequently or for a fixed period. While you are at it, you should also turn on Spend plus Save to put money away automatically every time you spend. Because believe me, there will always be unplanned hangouts and unscheduled sales. The next move is to pay your bills. When your bills are out of the way, you know how much money you really have to spend. Besides, life feels better when you've paid for things like electricity, internet data, and so on. Most bank apps make bill payment easy. All you need to do is select the bill you wish to pay on your app, tap play, then go forth and conquer. Finally, invest responsibly. You see, investing can help you protect your money from local inflation and grow some wealth. If you are wondering where to begin, your bank app is the right place. Tap investment on the app to see all the stocks you can buy. However, you should note that the value of stocks fluctuates and stock trading involves possible loss of capital. So you may want to seek guidance from experts. Every payday doesn't have to lead to the same conclusion of being broke. It's time to take care of your money and yourself. So start now. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.